The Keychron K3 Max SE is designed for users who want a sleek, portable mechanical keyboard without compromising on performance. With its ultra-slim profile, modern features, and strong customization options, it targets both productivity users and casual gamers looking for a clean, minimal desk setup. The K3 Max SE features a 75% compact layout that strikes a balance between functionality and space-saving design. Its aluminum alloy top frame gives it a premium feel, while the plastic bottom keeps the weight manageable for portability. The keyboard stands out as one of the thinnest wireless mechanical keyboards available, making it ideal for travel or minimalist setups. It uses low-profile LSA double-shot PBT keycaps, which are durable, oil-resistant, and designed for long-term use. The inclusion of both Windows and macOS key layouts makes it versatile across platforms. Users can choose between 3 switch options: linear red, tactile brown, and tactile banana switches. These Milk POM switches are 31% slimmer than traditional mechanical switches and come pre-lubed, ensuring a smoother and quieter typing experience. The keyboard also includes EPDM acoustic foam and additional bottom case foam, which enhance typing acoustics and reduce noise. Redesigned stabilizers improve consistency and reduce wobble on larger keys like the spacebar and Enter key. Powered by an ARM-based MCU with 256 kilobytes flash memory, the K3 Max SE delivers strong performance. It supports a 1000 Hz polling rate in both wired and 2.4 GHz wireless modes, ensuring low latency suitable for gaming. Connectivity is flexible with tri-mode support: 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.2, up to 3 devices, and USB Type-C wired connection. This makes it easy to switch between devices like laptops, tablets, and smartphones. The keyboard runs on QMK firmware, allowing full key remapping, macro creation, and advanced customization. It works with the Keychron Launcher web app, making personalization easy even for beginners. RGB lighting is another highlight, offering over 22 lighting modes per key customization and a static white option for a cleaner look. The 1550 mAh battery delivers up to 120 hours of usage, which is solid for a keyboard with RGB and wireless features. It's not the longest in its category, but still sufficient for most users. The K3 Max SE is essentially a simplified version of the K3 Ultra. It offers QMK instead of ZMK firmware, a 1 kHz polling rate instead of 8 kHz, and a smaller battery. This makes it more affordable while still retaining core features.